Little Early English Education.
Whoa, look at this awesome purple character. Hello, 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 super learners. Welcome back. Today, we are going to draw and color Numberblock 800. Did you know Numberblock 800 is 8 groups of 100?
Red, blue, yellow, green.
800. Let's start drawing. First, draw one big rectangle for the main body.
When they come alive, this magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside. Feel it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers.
A tall, beautiful body. Perfect. Now, draw one vertical line down the center and 3 horizontal lines across. This divides our body into big sections. Now, draw 20 vertical lines inside the body. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Let's start a brand new picture.
5,
Take your pencil nice and light.
6,
Make a shape, make a block.
7,
Make the lines all clean
8,
and right. Every number
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Fantastic! We reached 20. That's T-W-E-N-T-Y. Then draw 80 horizontal lines. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320, 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 540, 560, 580, 600, 620, 640, 660, 680, 700, 720, 740, 760, 780, and 800. Fantastic! We reached 800. That's E-I-G-H-T-H-U-N-D-R-E-D. So many tiny blocks. 800 blocks. Now the face. Draw the infinity glasses with star spikes. Draw the big round eyes, black pupils, and cool eyelashes on top.
Shining light, drawing slowly, coloring softly. Take your time and stay in groove.
Now draw the happy smile and add the inside mouth detail. Draw the many curly arms on both sides.
Learning numbers while we color is the best way to succeed. All our counting, all our thinking gives our brains the power and speed. Drawing helps us think creative.
Now draw the legs at the bottom.
Every stroke and every line makes new knowledge we can find. Now we finish, now we smile.
Add the watch on one arm. At the very top, write 8, 0, 0, 800. Our drawing is complete. Hello, everyone. I am Numberblock 800. I have 800 blocks and infinity glasses. Coloring time. Pick up black. Spell black, B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color the eye pupils and inside the mouth. Black.
Drawing and coloring, learning is fun. Every new number.
Now pick up purple. Spell purple, P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. Color the eye outlines, eyelashes, and smile outline. Purple.
Down every block in the right space. Drawing is fun and slow. We don't need to rush the pace.
Now pick up maroon. Spell maroon, M-A-R-O-O-N, maroon. Color the hands and legs, maroon.
This drawing time feels so alive. Numberblocks are happy friends. Learning helps our minds to thrive. Count with me 1 to 10. Let the colors start again. 11, 12, 13, 14. Every block becomes a friend. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22. Numbers grow and numbers show what we can learn and what we do. Sticky shaded color in number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next, color every single one.
Now pick up dark pink for the lower hand outlines. Spell dark pink, D-A-R-K-P-I-N-K. Now pick up green for the watch. Spell green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Color the watch green. Now the main body color, pink. Spell pink, P-I-N-K. Fill the entire body with beautiful pink.
Drawing every little part makes the magic truly start. Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combine. Drawing number blocks with love makes every picture look so fine. Now we finish, nice and slow, step by step and line by line. Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine. We can draw them every day. We can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun. Drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color. Learning numbers like no other. It's time to draw the number blocks. Let's begin today. Take your pencil, take your crayons, let's create and play. Start with simple shapes and lines, nice and slow and neat. Every little box we draw makes learning feel complete. Draw a block and draw another, stack them side by side. Every number starts with shapes, watch them grow with pride. Lines go up and lines go down, corners strong and square. Drawing number blocks together shows how much we care. Now it's coloring time, let the colors shine. Fill each block with happy shades, one at a time.
And done! Our number block 800 looks fantastic.
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.